Hello viewers, welcome to Code for Any. Online grocery app admins Flutter apps inside. Today need to see this here the zone managements need to develop here inside the add zones, update zones, delete zones and list zones need to API calls and with UI. First of all need to put this here the API names need to set inside the globe files SV key class inside need to given this here the static const value need to give us. Now first of all need to copy here the brand related and now need to paste this here. Now need to change here zone add and also change here brand to zones like this sets and also need to change here zone add zone update zone list and zone delete. Similar to copy this here the models need to copy same as to brand models. Now need to copy inside the model view. Now need to create here the new files and to give this here the name zone model dots like this create here and we need to copy here the brand models and now need to paste here and to change this here the name to zone models. Same as now need to change this here the key zone ID. Same as need to change this here the name zone name and also need to change here the key name zone ID and zone name. Also need to change here zone ID and zone name like this. We need to configuration to save this here. Now need to first of all need to making here the view. Go inside the account tabs and to create here the new folders and to give this here the name as a zone. Inside we need to same as need to copy this here the three view. Need to copy here. Before we need to creating here the new view models. First of all need to copy this view models and same as now need to create here the new and to give this here the name zone underscore view models dots like this create here the files and to paste this here. Now need to change this here the model name, set here the zone models. Then after so need to change this here the brand model to zone model like here and also need to import here and now need to clear this here the brand related imports files. Now need to change here this text fields. Also need to change this here the variable name zone object. Also change this here the brand name to zone name like this. We need to change here text and also need to change here brand name to zone name like this. Change here and also need to change here the zone ID. So here zone ID. Now need to API names also change here the zone list. Then after we need to change this here the add inside. We need to change this here the zone add. Also need to change again here the updates inside zone update. And last ones we need to delete inside the change here zone delete. Like this API we need to set here and to configure this here. And also need to change this here the parameters names need to convert into the brand to zone. Like this change and to change this here the zone name. Please enter zone name. Like this need to error message. Need to set here. Now need to copy and we need to paste this here. First of all need to change this here zone name and to with here this text. Like this, we need to configurations for the zone view models, and also need to one more change. Need to needs here add brand add new view. We need to change here to zone add, and also need to clear this here this view no needs, and now need to creating here the add zone view. Also need to create here the brand row view and brand view. We need to set here. Now need to create here the new files and to give this here the zone add underscore add view dot dots. Also need to create here the new files zone underscore row dot dots, and last ones need to create here the zone view dot dots. Like this we need to create. Now one by one need to copy and to change this here. Copy here. Now need to view inside put this here. Now need to change brand view to zone view, and also need to clear this here, and also imports here, and need to change here zone. Click on ads and to set here the zone add view, and to zone is empty. Also need to set here the zone row, and like this you need to configure and to save here these files. Now we need to copy here the brand row and to set this here the zone row. Now need to change zone row. Now need to change here titles zone name, also imports here. First of all, so need to change this here the model zone models. Need to import here and to clear this here. Now need to save, and now need to go here and to import this here the zone row. Save here. Then after need to create copy here the brand add view. Now copy and to put this here zone ads, and now need to change this here zone add. Now we need to set this here the edit zone, add new zone, like this sets here, and to set here the zone name, enter name, updates, edits, like this sets, and we need to save this here. Also need to import here and to clear unused, clean this here and to save this here. Now view models inside we need to also import here this view and to save this here. Like this need to configurations are the changing here the commonly use this common structures, mainly admin, and like this need to copy and paste, need to creating easily to fast and quickly. Now we need to configure inside the account tabs. We need to go and to add this here the row. Now first of all we need to copy here the add brand and paste this here. Now need to set here zone, and we need to change here zone view, and we need to save this here. Later we need to change this here these icons because we need to not have any icons now. That's why need to same as need to copy and paste. Now need to save and to run first of all the simulators. Now app is running, and now need to select here the account tabs and to select here gets here the zones. Now need to clicks, and we need to get here the zone empty. We need to like this UI we need to showing here. First of all need to fix this here this issue. Now need to go inside the zone view, and now need to fix this here the set here the center, save here and to check against, and look like this showing here same as. Now need to change inside the brand because we need to copy. Same issue need to get years, and to first of all need to fix and to set like this years. Now need to saving years, and now need to select here the plus icons and to give this here the zone name. So need to set our city name Surat like here's, and unauthorized access need to get this like errors. Then to first of all need to log out this here the UI, and to against logins because need to iOS shift UI inside the login, that's why need to change here tokens. Now against go select here the zones and to delete these here all things. And maybe you need here to change these titles. Need to check here, change here the titles as a name. So need to setting here, that's why not showing here the data. Now need to fix this here the view models, set here the name, also set here, save this here. Now reload this here the UI and also need to check here accounts, zones, and to get this here the zone 1, zone 2. Now need to add here zone 3, add here, add successfully, but here the not reload this UI. You need to check against, click backs, go against, but here not added. Need to test this here first of all. Check here the response. Need to call this here the brands add successfully, like this message need to get here, that's why I need to issue. Need to check first of all the view models. I have found the issue, need to wrong models, need to set this, that's why I need to get say like these errors. Need to change here, replace with the zone view model like this sets, and to setting here, and we need to set like this here. Also need to txt zone name, add update like this. We need to save here and to set and to save here again. So we need to test here zone underscore 3 and to click ads and to get this here. Now need to edit and to not work. Why? Need to check here first of all. Maybe we need this here the pull restart this app after maybe work. We need to test again. Click here and now need to select here, edit this here zone 3. Need to set here the false and to call this here updates. Zone update successfully to get this here. Also need to delete here and to get this here the zone ID. Missing parameters need to get, so need to fix this here first of all. Now need to change here zone underscore ID and to save. Click here again and to delete it successfully. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.